a career coach is more so helping students prepare for their professional lives after they graduate. One of our main goals at the Career Center is to help students turn those skills into passions, helping them realize that their skills do not only come out of the classroom, they develop from extracurricular activities, so student org involvement. You will be bombarded with a number of resources on campus, especially within your first year. One of those main resources is to pursue the Career Center and to take advantage of all the resources that we have. We provide free business cards, free professional headshots, free career fairs and networking events. I really enjoy that one-on-one time to connect with students, learning of their stories, their passions, helping them to gain a sense of structure and a sense of a plan for what to do next.